Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be talking about Factor 75, a meal delivery service that offers chef-prepared, fully cooked meals made with high-quality, nutrient-dense ingredients, and whether they provide nutritional information for their meals or not. Now before we begin, if at any point you'd like to check out Factor 75 for yourself with a little discount, you'll find all the useful links in the description down below. Now, Factor 75 provides complete nutritional information for each of its meals, including the calorie count, macronutrient breakdown like protein, carbs, and fat, and micronutrient content such as vitamins and minerals. Also, this information is listed on the packaging of each meal and is available on the company's website. Additionally, Factor 75 has a team of registered dietitians who review and approve each meal to ensure that it meets the company's nutritional standards. You can also consult with these dietitians for personalized nutrition advice and guidance. Now, apart from their nutritious and chef-prepared meals, what other features does Factor 75 offer?
Now, Factor 75 is a top choice for a meal delivery service, as I've had a really positive experience with it and enjoyed many delicious and fulfilling meals. Now, one of the most significant benefits of using Factor 75 is the convenience they offer. They deliver pre-cooked meals directly to your doorstep, eliminating the need for time-consuming grocery shopping, meal planning, and cooking. Also, each meal is pre-portioned and comes with easy-to-follow heating instructions, making it easy to enjoy a healthy and delicious meal in just a few minutes. Additionally, Factor 75 sources high-quality, organic, and sustainably raised ingredients to create flavorful and healthy meals, setting it apart from other services that may prioritize convenience over nutrition. They work with a network of small-scale farmers and producers to source their ingredients, ensuring that they're of the highest quality and sustainably produced. Additionally, Factor 75 uses eco-friendly packaging materials to minimize their environmental impact, making them a great choice for those who are environmentally conscious. Also, Factor 75 boasts a menu with a variety of meals available. They offer a wide selection of meals, including breakfast, lunch, and dinner options, as well as snacks and desserts. Additionally, each meal is created by professional chefs who use a variety of cooking techniques and high-quality ingredients to ensure that the food is flavorful and satisfying. Now, the main feature that sets Factor 75 apart from other meal delivery services is their focus on nutrition. The company's meals are designed to be nutrient-dense, which means they contain a high amount of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients per calorie. Additionally, Factor 75's meals are tailored to specific dietary needs, such as paleo, keto, and low-carb diets, making it easier for you to follow a healthy eating plan that's perfect for your needs. Now, Factor 75 can be a bit pricey. However, this is to be expected given the high-quality ingredients used in the meals and the convenience of having pre-made meals delivered straight to your door. The company offers several pricing plans depending on the number of meals and servings that you choose. And while this may seem pricey, it's important to remember that Factor 75 is offering a healthy and convenient alternative to traditional takeout or home-cooked meals, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to prioritize their health and well-being while also saving valuable time. All in all, Factor 75 is a great option for individuals who are looking for a convenient and healthy meal delivery service. Their focus on nutrition, sustainability, and high-quality ingredients really sets them apart from other meal delivery services on the market. While the service can seem expensive, the convenience and quality of the meals makes it a worthwhile investment for individuals who are low on time and prioritize their health and well-being.
So that's going to be it for this video. Again, if you're interested in Factor 75, you'll find a link to pricing and discounts, as well as an in-depth review in the description down below. And feel free to comment below, guys, if you have any questions. I really like getting to interact with you. And like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, or if you'd like to stay up to date with our future videos. Guys, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one.